Hello, hello. I would like to talk to you about how to create your own energy circle. So why would you need to create your own energy circle? So let's say that you are at work and there is someone in your office that is really getting on your nerves. What do? Well, you can sit there and stew about it, right? But then you're letting their energy encroach on you. So how does that help you? Remember when I talked about how there are only 3 things that can happen when 2 energies meet? So 3 things. A higher energy can lower, a lower energy can raise, or they can meet in the middle. That's it. So what you're doing, if you have a higher energy, you're letting your energy lower. We don't want that to happen. So what you need to do at that point is create your own little energy bubble to offset letting your energy change, because you are letting your vibration lower by letting what they're doing affect you. So some of the things that you can do to change your environment is to create a little bubble. I think we've talked about that before. Just imagine that you have a white light surrounding you. Just breathe in. This is something we use in quantum touch all the time. If you imagine that energy is coming in through your feet, up to the top of your head, and then surrounding you. So just breathe and surround yourself with that bubble. That will really help. So the other thing you can do is you can turn some music on, drown them out, do anything you can just to put a barrier where you're changing your thoughts, you're pushing what is going on with them away and creating your own little bubble that they can't encroach upon, right? So the other thing you can do is use anything you can to change the energy in your space. So here at the spa, we use different things. We use color, we use light like candles, we use scent, we use essential oils, things like that. We use sound, we use music. We use like lemon water, things like that. Anything that can change the energy is going to be helpful. So try some of those techniques. Change your energy. Create your little energy bubble, and that will really help. But what you don't want to do is let their energy lower yours. That is the key, is learn some things to flip the switch so that you don't go down that road of just continuing to talk yourself into lowering your energy just because they're getting on your nerves. The big key is you get to choose whether you change your energy, right? You choose. So choose happy, always. Choose happy, choose to raise your vibration, choose to change your energy to a higher vibration instead of lowering it just because you don't like what someone else is doing. So stay in your bubble, and hopefully that will help. Thank you so much. Namaste.